Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stefan, and in this video I want to show you how to play The Little Whale Explores the Calm Sea by Tyler, which is piece C3 in the ABRSM 2023-2024 Grade 1 Piano Syllabus. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so, and make sure to check the notifications bell to never miss a new video. Also, I now offer online piano lessons if you're looking for one. There's going to be information in the description below. This is a beautiful piece. One thing you notice right at the beginning is that the pedal goes down at the very beginning of the piece and comes up almost at the very end of the piece in bar 21. So the pedal, the right pedal, damper pedal, is held down for almost the entire piece, which means that if you make a mistake anywhere in the piece, it's gonna stick all the way to the end. So playing the wrong note is not going to be very forgiving in this piece because it's going to be sustained all the way to bar 21. This piece is still in copyright, so I can only show you the first line of the music, but I'm going to refer to bar numbers that you can find in the ABRSM book. The key signature is F sharp. We are in the key of G major, and every F is going to be sharp. And the time signature is 3/4, 3 crotchets in every beat, and we have a lot of dotted minims, as you can see. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It says calmly as if underwater, but it gives you a very fast speed, 160 for each crotchet, which is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Since most of the piece is made up of crotchets and minims, the very fast speed doesn't give us too much of a trouble until we get to the quaver motions in bar 15 and bar 20, where it's going to run quite quickly. The melody is kind of given from left to right hand, although the left hand looks more like supporting chords and the right hand plays the tune where you see the legato line. So you can think of the beginning as kind of an arpeggio or creating the harmony in the first 2 bars. And then once you see the slur, the right hand on the high G is what the main melody is. But both hands kind of work together to create the melody. Let's start hands together because I think it's going to make more sense. So we're going to press down the right pedal, and we're going to start on this low G, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then jumping up to 3A and 1, 4, A, C, D, G, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, lift. So the right hand started on the 3rd beat, and make sure this legato is very smooth. You're singing through, the hand is leading the melody, is moving with the melody. And a little decrescendo and crescendo. So starting quiet, getting louder and getting quieter. Second line, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, the same chord, 1, 2, 3 on the G, 3, 1, 2, getting louder, and back to quiet. Lift, and then hands together the same chords, C and D, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And here we have those quavers. So you can either go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, T, 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 ta, or 1 and 2 and 3 and 1. So those quavers need to go twice as fast as your crotchet or quarter note beats. And then make sure the double notes go down perfectly together, as opposed to. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and especially these last 2. It can be very tricky to get it right with the weaker outer fingers, so leaning into the little finger. And then a low C very loud. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And pedal comes up. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Pedal goes down, an octave lower the G, very quietly, and an octave higher the DG. So we see an 8 VA underneath the G, this is the G, an octave lower, and DG an octave higher, because we see the 8 VA above. So I think the trickiest part is that quaver motion, because it ends and starts on a third. Make sure to practice that a lot without a pedal, because then you can get a much clearer feedback of your playing, whether it's accurate or not. And then once you get to those beautiful legato lines, make sure there's a nice drop. And leading the melody, enjoying that beautiful melody which goes in skips and steps, quite easy to read. And do not forget about your F sharp. So it's quite a simple piece, but it's beautiful, and making it very expressive is going to be your primary goal. Now be very careful with that pedal. As I said, as soon as you press the wrong note down, it's going to stick with you until you have to release the pedal in bar 21. So it's not very forgiving. But the notes are quite simple and quite easy to memorize. If you have any more questions about this piece, leave it in the comments. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, subscribe for more.